Hi guys, all of you. Good evening and good morning, guys. Today we are okay. Hi guys, welcome back to project 3, guys. So already we have discussed about this one. So just I have given that introduction about this one. But in today's session, we are seeing this flow of the project practically hands-on. We are going to configuring end to end. But guys, today we are going to configuring on-premise on-premise environment. We are going to configuring this project. Okay guys, then we can configure on cloud also. You can use AWS cloud or Azure cloud also. You can use Google cloud also. You use, if you have that AWS account and Google account or Azure account, so we will show you how to configure the same project on cloud also. Okay guys, this is the flow process. Today we are going to developing one Docker file. Then already we are having one source code to deploy application in the Docker container. So both this Docker file and the source code we are uploading into GitHub repository. Then we are going to integrating that GitHub repository with the Jenkins. Then we are taking that Docker file to build image, that is calling as a custom image. So once we build the Docker image, then we are sending to scanning that image by using Aqua Trivy for for scanning vulnerability checking guys. So once the checking is over, once the scanning is over, then we are sending to image into Docker registry. So once we send to Docker registry, then once again we are going to creating a container. We are going to creating a container with the help of Docker image, whatever we built successfully. Okay guys, this is the flow process. So let me show you practically one by one. Okay, yes, the first step. So already I have configured, but I'm showing you once again end to end to develop that application. Yes guys, already I told you that now. So we are having a problem. To configure Jenkins on Tomcat. So today I am taking that Jenkins without Tomcat. Today I am going to configuring and installing Jenkins without Tomcat. Yes, just wait. Taking Okay, let me Jenkins with Docker. No problem. Of course, if you have that SSD, one processor also enough. If you don't have that processors, no problem. You can continue with one processor also. So, and I'm using 4 GB. Yes, 2 GB RAM also enough. 2 GB RAM also enough, but a little bit. Okay, the performance will be little bit slow. But here I have that infrastructure. So that reason I'm using that. If you don't have that, if you have that minimum, please no problem. You can continue. This is the script. Without Tomcat, we are going to configuring Jenkins. Here we are going to installing Java 17, OpenJDK, Devel. Then yes, update -y. Yes, host name CTL, set-host name, build server, exec bash. Then here we are having Maven, and let me download Maven also. cd/opt wget. Are we having wget vm torment? Okay. Maven download. Yes. Actually, no need, but maybe in case if it is any required in future, so that reason. Next, tar space -xvf. Then mv Maven. And so we are going to installing trivy also. Trivy also we are going to installing.
Linda, will you be able to share the script later on?
Sorry, come again.
So I was just asking, will you be able to share the script later on?
The script?
Yeah. Will you be able to share it?
Yes. I'll share it. No problem. I'll share it.
Oh, wow. Thank you very much.
Welcome. Welcome. Docker, and already we are having Docker, no? Yes, this is the Docker. We so the path will come like this. Same. We are going to installing trivy also by using m install. So that reason, yes, the path will come /bin usr, sorry, /usr bin trivy, same like that git. So remaining common, we are going to extracting, downloading and extracting, no? So it will come. Okay. Then I think guys already, I have shared you trivy also, no?
Yes.
Yes. Just wait. I have somewhere. Yes, this is a trivy. Checking. Yes, guys. Just so we don't have that script, guys. Now we are going to creating a file. So at present we don't have that VIM also. By default we are getting that VI. Now create that um, setup.sh and just paste here. Just escape shift colon WQ. Yes, guys, you can execute directly without giving permissions. Also, you can execute, or else give the execute permissions. Chmod q plus x or ugo plus x or 777 also. You can use or UGO, user group others. So or else you can use like this also. So guys, we got that full permission. So now you can execute like this also. Or else without giving permissions, yes, you can apply like this also. After giving permissions also, you can execute like this also. So that your wish. Now I'm executing like this. Yes. So,
you know when you put the UGO,
sorry,
you know when you put the UGO.
User group and others.
Yeah, but you didn't mention what was it on each for U and G and Young.
So for giving the permissions, execute permissions to all user group and permissions.
Yeah, I understand that, but it's not mentioned the type of permission for each.
No, so that reason, yes, here we have given no full permissions.
Yeah. But where is the UGO?
You can use UGO or else you can use like this also.
Yeah, no, I understand, but you know for the UGO, did you put plus X or something? What did you put?
Yes, ch mod UGO plus X.
Okay, it's fine. Yeah, it's okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, fine. So here we got that issue. Maybe inside the problem with VIM, sorry, VI setup.sh. Yes, guys, remove this one. This is the problem here. Okay, it will stop the process if we apply that. So the reason we are removing that. Yes, now. Yes. Guys, it will take a couple of minutes to install all required packages, whatever we have specified inside that script file. Just wait, guys. We are going to configuring again this process end to end, that for project requirement. Guys, meanwhile, if you want to execute this, yes, you can execute U2 also. Yes, I'm sending this. But guys, it's a live script, still it's under process. So I don't know. So is it correct or not? If is there any problem, we need to be modified that. But on present, I'm sharing that if you want to execute or if you want to follow me. Okay. So here what I have mentioned. Okay. Just wait, it will take some time to start Jenkins service here. Jenkins service is starting. Now the step is here. Now this service is, sorry, the service is starting here. Installation over, daemon reload over, and now the Jenkins service is starting. Yes, Jenkins service also started. Now the steps are, okay, this one over. And of course, this one also over, Maven also over. Now Docker is going. Just wait, guys. Yes, Docker is okay. Now it's going trivy. Okay, guys. Successfully we have installed. This is the Maven version. Yes, Java version. And what is that? Uh, this is the Docker version. JDK version and where is that? Trivy version. Git version, and this is the Docker related version and the Maven version. Total. So Java is okay, Git okay, Docker okay, Trivy okay, Maven okay. So everything fine. If you want to check it manually, you can apply that Java space hyphen version. Next MVN space hyphen version. Spelling mistake. Okay. Okay. Source tilde slash dot bash rc mvn space hyphen version. Okay, next git space hyphen version. Next uh, docker version. Next trivy hyphen version. Successfully we have installed all packages. Now take this IP and move to browser. Colon 8080. Yes. Yes. No need. Just install suggested plugins. Yes, guys. Now you can assign name. Just save and finish. Okay, guys. Now Jenkins is ready. Jenkins is ready. Next, so install the plugins. Click on that manage Jenkins. Yes, click on that plugins available. Yes, now here Docker. Yes, select that Docker commas, Docker pipeline, Docker API, and of course, okay, maybe it's not required, but better to select that. Yes, install these all plugins. Yes, guys, successfully we have installed. Now go back to manage Jenkins. Now click on that add tools. We are adding tools. Yes, this is the Java path. Now click on that add JDK. Yes, Java 17 and home path, and then Git 2.43, then Git path /usr bin Git, then add Maven. Yes, Maven. Next, yes, /opt Maven. Maven path is /opt Maven. Next, click on that add Docker. Yes, just name the Docker. Then, yes, click on that install automatically. Then, click on that add installer. Select that download from docker.com. Then, default one is latest. That's it. Save this one. Save this one. Now, yes. Okay, guys. Now, this is our Docker registry. This is our Docker registry. So, log in into the Docker Hub. Log in into the Docker Hub. If you don't have that Docker Hub account, create your Docker Hub account and be inside this account and select this one, Docker Hub login username. This is the Docker Hub login username, and move to Jenkins. Then click on that. Be in the Jenkins, manage Jenkins. Be in the manage Jenkins. Then come to click on that credentials. Then click on that system. Then click on that global credentials. Then click on that add credentials. Then Docker Hub login username and its password. Just add here username and its login username password. Docker Hub login username and its password. Just name that Docker and click on that Docker. Just name that once again, that ID and description. That's it. Okay. This is the name and password ID. Then, okay. Next, click on that dashboard. Click on that dashboard and click on that new item. Now we are going to starting the process to execute step by step. Now we are starting the process. Step one, Docker file. Already we are having Docker file. I'll explain that. And already we are having source code inside this both. We are having Docker file and source code. Both we are having in the GitHub repository. Yes, this is my repository. Already we are having code. If you want to take this one, yes, you can take this. Yes, copy this one. Just I am sending you. Then copy this one. Then come to your dashboard, Jenkins dashboard. Then click on that new item. Then name the project name. Jenkins Docker Project-3. Next, click on that pipeline. Then click on that OK button, or else DevOps mini Project-3. Yes, click on that pipeline, then click on that OK button. Then click on that pipeline, then click on that pipeline, then you can start here. So let me write from beginning. Yes guys, already I'm having file here. Just let me name this, and so I'm saving Jenkins file. Just name it. Yes, now guys. So guys, this is not a time to discuss about from scratch beginning that what is a Jenkins file, how we can start. Okay, so if we want, yes, we will take another session, but today this is the project orientation concept. So that reason I'm going to starting and I'm executing directly without a little bit explanation. Of course you can understand easily if you are already having that basic knowledge also. Okay, yes guys, every Jenkins pipeline script starts from pipeline. We are using declarative scripted pipeline. This is the first function. This is the main block. Every Jenkins declarative pipeline script starts from pipeline, and the every step inside this main block. Then yes, agent any, then stages. Yes, open the block, then all stages undercome stages block, then stage, open the block, then the stages, yes, what is that? Git code checkout, yes, open the block, and steps, open the block again. Now move to your Jenkins console. Yes, now we are creating that pipeline syntax to get the code from GitHub to Jenkins. Now what we are doing, now we are going to integrating that GitHub repository, whatever we are having repository in the GitHub, to Jenkins. We are integrating that process. Now let me show you. Yes, click on that pipeline syntax. Then yes, sample step, click here. Then you can find in the G series, git colon git, select this one. Then the paste here that repository URL, which one we have taken from the GitHub repository, source code along with the Docker file. So here we are having source code. Here we are having just a small two files. We are having index.js, okay, JavaScript and CSS file we are having inside this source code, and we are having one index.html. This is the source code to deploy the application in the Docker container. It's very basic code, guys. Common. If you have that real-time project, yes, you can do same like that also. But in today's session, I'm taking that simple code, and here I have that one more, my own website, guys. So maybe that website is not available here. Just wait. So my own website is see guys. Just I have taken. So actually I plan to deploy this one, but maybe little bit it will take some time to change that. So that reason already I have written the file, source code file, everything that just today I'm taking this session. So maybe for video session, maybe I'll take my own website. That's my own website, guys. Okay. Now we are taking that. Just wait. Where is that browser? Yes, this one. Yes. Okay. Just this is the repository URL, GitHub source code repository URL. Then the branch is main. Then credentials. We are using public repository. So no need to use credentials. If you want to use credentials, no problem, you can use. Okay, just that's it here. Just click on that generate pipeline script. This is guys. Now take this, copy, select and copy this one. Now move to your pipeline location. Just paste here. This step is here, guys. This is enough for to get the code from GitHub to Jenkins. Now take this code. Now move to your Jenkins. Just paste here and save this one. Now you can go for build now. If everything is okay, we can get the code from GitHub to Jenkins. If you want to see verbose mode, just click on this process. Just click on this. Now the pipeline process started. If you want to see stages, you can just click on this, click on that stages. Still the process in code check-in, code checkout. See. Yes, guys, success. Now you can come here. See, guys, code checkout is success. Now, if you want to see this code, yes, what is the Jenkins path, guys? Interview question. What is the Jenkins path? What is the Jenkins directory? Or what is the Jenkins home directory? Yes, guys. Guys, it depends on Jenkins installation method. So at present, yes, the path is cd var lib Jenkins. This is the path. This is the home path. So where we can see, already I told you that. Yes, if you want to see this one, yes, go back. Yes, guys, click on that manage Jenkins. Yes, click on that system. If you want to see from the Jenkins home directory or Jenkins root directory. Yes, guys. LL CD workspace. LL CD, guys. See, this is the project. Successfully, we got the code from GitHub to Jenkins. Now we are sending this code. See, guys, var lib Jenkins. This is the path. This is the Jenkins home path. If you have installed Jenkins by using minstall method. So if you have installed Jenkins On the Tomcat, the path is little bit different, but default path is class root.jenkins. But by using shell script, yes, you can modify, you can place your custom place wherever you want to place that home path. Yes, we can modify that. But right now, this is the path. Now what we did, we got the code from GitHub to Jenkins. Now, what next? What next? We are taking this Docker file. Then we are going to creating a Docker image. We are going to creating a Docker image by using Docker file. So what is a Docker file? Docker file is a template. Docker file is a template. So it used for to develop our requirement. What is our requirement? For example, if you want to deploy application, or if you want to install any kind of packages, or if you want to configure any kind of databases container, or if you want to deploy the application, yes, you can create that container, web application container, database container, and what is that SonarQube container, and what is that Nexus container, and like that. Depends on your requirement. Yes, you can create. So, but coming to this Docker file, see guys, already I have prepared. See guys, this is the Ubuntu. Okay, this is the Ubuntu. We are using Ubuntu image, and we are going to updating that container, and we are going to installing Apache 2. We are going to installing Apache 2, and we are copying that. We are copying that whatever we are having the source code. The source code we are copying into this where www.html, and port number is 4000, and we are going to starting that Tomcat. Sorry, what is that? Apache web application. At present we are executing web application. Actually, it is used for to run the services. What kind of services? Load balance purpose we can use this proxy. The HTTP server we can use for HTTP proxy purpose we can use, and we can run that web applications also. At present we are using to run the web application, not for proxy. Okay guys, so this is the Docker file. So now we are copying these all files inside into where www.html. Once we install this Apache web server, so we will get this directory default. By default, we will get this directory, and whatever we are having files mean, what are the files? Yes, these are the files. src, and whatever we are having installations and all. Yes, we are copying that file into that container. So now what it will do, the guys? Now, first of all, whenever we run this Docker file, before that, one container will create. One temporary container will create. After creating that container, the cursor moves into that container. After that, it will copy these files, source code, whatever we are having source code. Yes, it will move to this index.html, and these files moves into container. And before that, so whatever we have written inside this Docker file, yes, it will update, and it will install our HTTP server. Then the files all moves into this directory, and we are allocating port number 4000. Then we are starting. This process will execute inside. This all commands will execute inside this temporary container. So once the container is over with the successful steps, then automatically the Docker will destroy this temporary container before creating Docker image. The Docker will create one custom image. After creating this custom image, this container will delete by Docker. Finally, we can see the custom image. By the Docker. Now we are going to creating that. Now come here, guys. So what is the next step? The next step is stasis Docker image creation, Docker image build. Yes, open. Next. So what are the steps? The steps are we are going to writing command to build Docker image. Okay, guys, you got it now, my point? Yes, guys. Now we are going to building Docker image. Yes, now come here. Yes. Again, steps. Again, sh executing shell. Yes. Now the command Docker build -t image name, whatever we want. For example, I am taking that that's related to one Netflix cloned first web page name. Netflix space dot. Okay, this is the step. Now take this one, copy this one. Now move to, yes, now come here. Yes, click on this again. Yes, click on that configure. Then click on that pipeline. Just paste here. Docker build, spelling is important, -t. This is your custom name. This is our custom name. I am naming that. This is the image name. That dot indicates whatever we are having the Docker file. That is the Docker file. Okay. Yes. Now save this one. Yes. Click on that build now. So if you want to see that stages, see guys, now the process started. Yes, something went wrong, of course, because it's a permission required. The permission is, just wait. We need to give the executable socket permissions. Yes. Yes, copy this one. Now move to terminal. Just chmod 777. Yes, press this one. Hit the enter. So okay. Spelling mistake. Yes, that's the problem, because this Docker sock file is not having permission to execute that. Now we have given full permissions. Now, yes, same job. Execute this once again. Yes. before that, if you want to see that, yes, Docker images. See guys, at present we don't have any kind of images. Next, Docker PS. Without Docker image, there is no Docker container. Yes, Docker images. If job is success, here we can see the image with the name of Netflix. Yes, still it's going. Okay guys, we got image. Okay, before that there is no any images. Now we got that image. Successfully we built Docker image in this step. See guys, next step, we are going to tagging this image. We are going to tagging this image to push into our Docker Hub repository. Docker Hub repository. So before that, we need to scan this image. Before pushing into Docker Hub, we are scanning that image. If you want to scan that image, yes, come here once again. Yes, again, just now stays. Yes. Docker image. Scanning Docker image. Yes, already we have installed a trivy. Just steps. Yes, sh again. Command is trivy space image. What is the image name? This one. And the tag is latest. Colon latest. Yes. Take this one. Guys, it will take some time to scan image. Now move to your Jenkins. Just click on that project, then click on that configure, then go to pipeline again. Just paste here. Yes, now save this one. Yes, now click on that build once again. Guys, here it will take some time to scanning that image. Just wait, guys. Yes. The reason image. Okay, guys. Just let me check here. Actually, I forgot that. Actually, no need this WASP. Security scanner. Okay. Just go back. Manage Jenkins. Tools. And Randall Docker. Actually, no need this. Actually, no need this, guys. Install from GitHub. So dependency check we are using. Okay, we'll check it. Just go back. Actually, no need to install that plugin. We will try it. If it is not working, yes, we need to check it, guys. I'll check and I'll come back to you. Yes, now it's going. A little bit, we'll see that, guys. I hope. Yes, guys, now it's going. We need to install that plugin. Yes, guys, successfully it is tested. Now you can come here. Image scanning is over. Image scanning is over, guys. Then we are uploading this image into Docker Hub registry. We are uploading this image into Docker Hub registry after scanning. So now let me write, guys. So here one more step. One more step. Yes, that is. So once again, what we have to do? Yes, now come here. Yes, stays. Pushing image into Docker Hub. Pushing image into Docker Hub. Then again steps. Again steps. Then script. Here we need to write script. Then move to your Jenkins console. Then click on that once again pipeline. Then once again come back here. Now find here this one with the Docker or registry. You have to take this one with the Docker registry. Select this one and no need that URL. No need that URL. Just credentials is important. Already we have added credentials. Just take this one. Then click on that generate pipeline script. This one. So just take this block, copy this one. Now move to your Jenkins pipeline script location. Just paste here. Yes, no need. Just hit enter. Now here we need to write a script. We need to write script once again. What is the script? Now we need to tag this image. Which image? So already we are having here Docker images. So we need to tag this image into Docker upload imaging format. If we want to upload this image, we need to add tag to this image. Tag mean, so what is the Docker Hub login username? Yes, every image should have Docker Hub login username. Every image should have Docker Hub login username. So we should add this one. We should add this one before to image like this. See guys, like this we need to add. This is the image and this is the Docker Hub login username. We need to add like this. By using Jenkins pipeline script, we are adding this one. So if we want once again, yes, sh Docker tag image ID or image name. Image ID or image name. This is the image name. Yes. Paste. Next Docker Hub login username. What is the Docker Hub login username? This one. Yes. Now paste slash. What is the image name? This one. This one. Paste. Next tag latest. Okay. Just we are tagging this one. Then we will see. Yes, take this one once again. Copy this one and move to your pipeline script. Yes. Click on this job. Then click on that configure. Then click on that pipeline. Just press this one. We are not pushing. At present, we are not pushing. Just we are tagging. Just save this one. Now click on that build now. Yes. Again, the process started. And before that, you can see here, we don't have the name. What is the username? So how we will get? Slash Netflix latest, like that. So we will get like this image name before this one. Okay, this is the Docker Hub login username and the tag latest. We will get like this when if the pipeline script is success. Up to here, image scanning is okay. Scanning done. Now, so actually here we are tagging the title. What we have? Yes, tag also okay. So actually here what we have mentioned, but we didn't push it. But I have mentioned that label, same label we will get like that. Now you can see here once again. See guys, now this image is ready to push into Docker Hub registry. By using script pipeline, we are pushing. Just now come here, sh again Docker push. This is the image name. Now this image is ready to push. Copy this one. Now come here and paste here. Okay, yes. Again, copy this one. Move to your pipeline script. Click on this one. Yes, click on that. Again, click on configure. Click on that pipeline. Then, yes, save this one. Then click on that build now. Now you can see here. See guys. So this image was uploaded before 5 days. Almost maybe if we wait for next 1 to 2 hours, so maybe 6 days ago. So if everything is okay, we can see here the latest image 1 minute ago or just now or something like that. Yes, this is the Project-3 yes. Yes guys, image successfully pushed into now the process. Okay. Just wait. Scanning is okay. Now it's trying to pushing into registry. You can see here pipeline script. Now it's trying to pushing into Docker Hub registry. Yes. Just wait. Just now refresh here. Still it's working. Just wait guys. So finally we'll get digested. The final answer is digested. See. Okay, now successfully we sent to Docker Hub registry. Just now come here, refresh. See guys, image is ready. Successfully we have uploaded into Docker Hub registry. From our local registry to this public Docker registry. Now the next step is we are going to creating a container. We are going to creating a container. Now, before creating that container, Docker images. See guys, Docker images. If we want to delete this all once again, yes, we can delete. We can delete it. Yes, Docker RMI $Docker images. Once again, we are going to deleting this all. Yes, deleted. No more Docker images. Now, once again, we are going to writing one more step. Yes. Yes, these are very important. See guys, if you observe this one, small underline is there here also. So this block for pushing, tagging and pushing. Image tag and push to Docker Hub. Okay, yes, this one. See, total 4 we have opened. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We are closing 4. Then next stage again Netflix container. Of course, no problem. We can continue with the lowercase also, but for our understanding, Netflix container application creation create. Yes, steps again. Yes, sh. Yes, what is that? Docker run -itd -name Netflix app -p port number. The port number, which one we have mentioned? Which one we have mentioned in the Docker file? We have mentioned 4000. So here also we need to write 4000 and redirect port number 80 and image name is latest. This is the image name. Before that, here we don't have any kind of images. Okay, we don't have any kind of images. Now we are going to create it once again from scratch. Okay, then we are going to creating a container. Without image there is no container. Without image there is no container. Keep in mind. But without container there is image. We can maintain images without container. But without image there is no container. Okay, it's the principle. Keep in mind strongly. So at present we don't have any kind of images to run or to create a container. By this pipeline script, what we are doing, we are going to creating image. We are going to pulling the code and building the image and scanning the image and tagging the image and pushing into Docker registry, and we are going to creating a container. Then once we create the container, we can see that application in the browser level. Now once again, move to your Jenkins, then click on this, again click on that configure, then click on that pipeline, just replace with script. Yes, save this one, then you can go for build now. Again from beginning it will start. This is the final step. If everything is okay, we can see the image again in our local registry, and we can see in the Docker Hub registry also, and we can see the container. Yes, success, guys. Successfully we have created. Yes, once again, just refresh here. See, guys, same one, same what is container or same image we have uploaded once again. It's replaced. It's replaced. Okay, guys. Now you can see in our local machine. Yes, again Docker images. See, guys. Now Docker PS. This is the application. This is the application. Now this is the port number. This is the port number, and this is the IP address. Copy this IP address, then move to your local browser. Open one new tab. Yes, paste here. Colon. The port number is 4000. See, guys. Now successfully we have deployed that application. In this place, if you have that real-time application, same task like that. Same task. Successfully we have deployed this application into Docker container. Okay. If you remove this container, see, now the application is running. Now application is running. Now what I am doing that Docker PS. Now Docker RM -f. Just now we have removed that. Now see, guys, -a. Successfully we have deleted that container. Now you can check here. Now come here. Just refresh here. No more application. Just wait. Just wait. Page unreachable or something like we'll get. See, guys, because there is no container. There is no container. Now the same one, come here, copy and paste it, and then manually you can create the same command. Manually we are going to execute it. We have created. Now once again the same page. See, it's loading. See, guys. Okay, this is the process to deploy the application in the container. So in this scenario, what we have taken? So here we have taken Docker file, sorry, and we have source code, and we have uploaded into Docker Hub, GitHub repository. Then we have integrated with Jenkins. Then we have integrated. We have taken that Docker file, which one we got from that file from Docker Hub, GitHub. Okay. Then we have executed the commands by using Jenkins pipeline script to build image and to scanning the image and to push to repository and to create a container. And finally, we saw that output successful. Okay, this is the scenario, guys. Successfully we have executed. Yes. Okay, guys, so thank you. And here next we need to be ready for one more step on this project. On the same project, we are going to extending step by step. Maybe the next project is mini project 4. Okay, and we are adding one more, that WASP. Actually we didn't add WASP. We need to be added that WASP, and we need to deploy the application. We need to deploy the application into Nexus repository, and we need to scan the code. We need to scan the code by using SonarQube. Upcoming. So which one we have seen that for project 2 and project 3. You got it, my point. So which one we saw that project 2 and 1. Just we are adding to project 4. See guys. So here what we have added, we didn't use Maven. We didn't use Maven and we didn't use SonarQube. So in next project, we are adding Maven and SonarQube and we are using Nexus also. Nexus repository. To this project. Project 1, 2, 3. These three concepts adding into project 4 with new concepts. With a new concept. We are adding some more concepts in project 4 along with project 1, project 2 and project 3. So once it's over, then one more step. Actually we need to develop this script dynamically. Here we haven't mentioned the job. Automatically it will take that job version also. What is the job name? How many, on which stage we build success? On the 10th stage. On the 10th build we success. So automatically the Docker image also will come with this version. Here we don't have that version. So see, if you observe this one, here we don't have that Docker images version. Okay. If we build it once again, yes, we will get one more. If we build one more, yes, we'll get one more image. But we need to see, yes, if it is belongs to first build, if it is belong to second build, third build, fourth build, sixth build, seventh build. Automatically, even in the Docker Hub repository also will update with image 1, image 2, image 3, image 4, like that. Here only we will get versions. Here only we will get that versions. Number of versions, Netflix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. We need to build like that. Okay, that is the real-time scenario. But this is for learning stage. We are in learning stage, so that reason I have written like this. But we need to develop this script for a dynamical build. We will see in upcoming classes. And if the build fail, we didn't get mail. See, here we have that build fails. Actually, we need to get mail. On build success also we can get the mail. On build fail also we can get the. On build fail we'll get mail. On build success also we'll get mail. We need to configure that step also. Email notification. So we need to extend step by step. Okay. In one single project we can't do that. You'll be in a little bit confusion because it's a very high level. So that reason step by step we are going forwarding. Okay. We are forwarding step by step. Okay. Yes, guys. Any doubt here? Any doubt, please let me know. Yes, guys.